Hi everyone, it's Chappie's Crypto here again with another quick video on Tradovate. So Tradovate being a futures trading platform which includes your charting tools as well, so that they're a broker as well as a charting platform. So it's a fantastic platform that I've just been working on and using for the last few weeks. I've come across from the crypto markets, and I've been trading the time price opportunity or TPO using market profile, and I've bringing that knowledge or understanding across the futures market. So still in the process of paper trading. However, as I've been learning, I do these YouTube videos to share with people my experiences of using these different tools, and I just find that you might find this particular video useful because I want to show you a cool little tool within Tradovate. So log into the account. In this video, we're going to go into my demo account, which is a paper trading account. And this video is about showing you the performance center. So if you want to look at your results or your trading performance, there's a fantastic tool within Tradovate which allows you to look at your previous performance. And I know this is available on lots of different trading platforms as well, a similar sort of thing. On the crypto space, I trade with Bybit, so I do write down my trades just on a document. So I keep a record of all my trades and review those as well. A really cool tool here though is if you want to add another module here, or you want to have another window, if you up the top left hand corner, you've got this little plus button that says add modules, so which is this button up the top here, this little plus thing. This is available across all platforms, PC, Mac, or in the web browser. Press add modules, and the thing we want to look here is this performance center. So when you're actually adding this on the application, if I click on the performance center, it allows me to just drag it, and where do I want to drop it? So in this instance here, what we're going to do is I'll just drag it here for the moment. And what I want to do though is once I've dragged it there, I'm going to go full screen. So I'll go full size. Now you'll notice here that when I look at the information within the performance center, that it's showing me all the different information. So you'll notice here it says current trading session data. Click here to view performance for previous session. So if I press that, what it will do is it'll allow me then to go and actually look at previous times. So I paper traded the markets on yesterday. Press go. There we go. Look at that. Fantastic information. So if I scroll down here, you see all of my trades, what was my gross profit, profitable trades, losing trades, etc. It gives you some data, and the thing I found extremely powerful, if I scroll right down, it shows you every single trade, the size of the contracts, the sell price, profit and loss for each trade. And the cool thing about your demo account, these trades also include the commissions on the trades as well. So you get a really good feel for how profitable or not profitable you're being using a demo account. Definitely replaces the need to write every single thing down. However, if you like to do that, you can continue to do that. However, what I've discovered when I've been looking at the futures market, it moves extremely quickly. So to be brutally honest, I wouldn't have the time to write them down as I go, and I found this is a really handy tool. And once you've actually done this, you can then export this out, and there's lots of different options where you can save that out as a PDF. Down the bottom here, you'll notice you can download a CSV file, or you can download it as a PDF. Downloading it as a PDF gives you this a really flash, nice document which you can go back and review whenever you want. So there you go, that's Performance Center. As I said, I actually don't leave it on the screen permanently, so if I want to get that back, just by clicking on here, I go turn it off full size, so it closes it. I want to close that module out because I only look at that at the end of a session, so I don't need this module to be on my screen taking up screen real estate during the training session. And so I'll actually close that off, and it'll ask you if you'd like to take it off your workspace. It's now gone. Not the end of the world for me, because I like to have as much room as I can for my charts, and if I want to add it, it's just a matter of coming back up here into add modules, and you just retrospectively add it whenever you want. So there you go. It's a quick little tool called the Performance Center within Tradovate. Thought you might find that useful just to be able to review your trades. If you haven't checked out the trade vets, and if you're wanting to learn how to trade the market profile or get an understanding of time price opportunity, go check out the website tradevets.com. I hope you enjoyed that little video, and as I said, it's Chappie's Crypto here with another lesson on how to use Tradovate. Until next time, bye for now.